Welcome to Overland Subaru International. Today we're going to Harrison Lake. I'm going to show you, look at that drone footage right now. It's just amazing. Check this out. We're going just for a day. It's going to be plenty of time with my friend James. And we're just going to do a little excursion around the lake and everything, see what's going on over there. So until then, I hope to see you soon in the trail. Be clean and leave no trace. Please, let's go right now. Boom! Yeah! Harrison Hot Spring Lake. And boom! There we go. Check the clouds over there. Right? Oh yeah. We're going to a glacier. That's gonna be fun. Alright guys, about Harrison Lake in BC is famous for Sasquatch Legion. Now the local St. Ale people have shared stories of the creature for centuries. Now the Sasquatch Museum nearby keep those tales alive with sightings and history. Have a look, it's going to be very nice, and you're going to have some great story about the people and everything and around it. According to the story, they're true. Enjoy. Now, our stories. Harrison Lake. We could hear some waterfalls. We don't have much snow here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And that's a small hill over there. And we have this fire pit here. And James, he's coming down. Easy. That was easy. There, so this. Ah! Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a big pile of rock in front. Oh. And here down we go. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Welcome in BC. Dear people. Dear people. Slug. They say, yeah, that's the place to actually do some fun there. Yeah, right? Right? No. Yeah, okay, there's stuff all over the freaking place. Like pumpkins and there's trash every single where. Like everywhere. Oh yeah. You wanna do something? Oh, that's fun, huh? We're gonna shoot. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Clean up after yourself. Gee. Pumpkins, papers, propane bottles. Okay, we're going uphill. And there you go, over there and over there and over there. We're gonna stand over there, so we should have a better view. All right, yo man. James, what's up?
Let's go for a little walk.
Yeah, walk in the park. Let's do so. Oh yeah, it's not gonna be. Oh yeah. Yeah. I guess that's the shooting range. Yeah. At least there's some banner. All right. Steep, spiky, and boom, we got the view. Huh? Check the view. Wah! Wah! Unbelievable.
sun's horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams will hold. This adventure we will never. Every day is a chance to discover. You give me reason through every season. Together we can do anything we believe in. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the one that away. Here we are, never start through it all.
There's a beach over there, and there's a bus, there's cottage, and there's the lake. That thing is gorgeous. Got my friend Jane. What's up? How you like it? I think that's a campground. Oh yeah, that's a campground. That's why. Yeah, there's a bus there. Down we go. That thing is pretty steep. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful beach. Nice. Okay. Woo, there's some rock there. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Oh yeah. There's some decent rock over there. Okay. That one, there's two of them here. I think this is center. That one is actually, yeah, go on over that one. You gotta pass over the other one. So passenger, straight, passenger, you're on it. Slow, slow, slow. Okay, stop. Okay, so go, driver, slowly. Okay, now straight. Straight, nice and slow. You're coming down. Okay, straight. Magnificent. Yeah, you got more clearance than I do. Gang, it's just gorgeous over here. Harrison Lake and around the mountains and everything is just gorgeous. Now, the plan is, or I should say was, supposed to go to the hot spring. Never been there, but according to a guy on the trail, he told us like people got stuck. So maybe not with a Subarus. I don't think that could work. So right now we hope we're gonna arrive on time for to see the glacier. So as you can see right now, as for an example, this beautiful picture, this is actually where we're going. We're heading. As is actually one of the mountains close from the glacier. And yeah, that's what it is. Let's see for the rest. There's tons of side-by-side here and ton of place to actually camp. So yeah.
Sail till we lose sight of shore. The light and the wilderness.
On the way down. That was easy. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit.
This is who we are. This is where it starts.
Wow. We're going to the glacier. Yep. No hot spring for now. Wow. Check the view. Wow. Wow. The size of that thing. Seriously. Wow. That's a waterfall from the glacier. Yeah. Wow. It's falling from high in the snow.
Speaking to the soul of every longing, calling it to deeper light. The light and the wilderness. We were made for all of this. You alone, my confidence.
So basically, wow! It's getting dark. Yeah. Oh my god, that one is gorgeous. Check. What? It goes up, 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 right there. Wow! We finally got snow and it's getting dark. My car is almost done. No more transmission, and that thing is.
In our bones, we can feel it.
We finally got some snow. A lot of them. Whoa! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Because we are basically alone here again, and typically to go to the glacier on the other side, somebody saw out here. Where's that trail? I don't know.
The person didn't take a very straight line.
Nope. I think he was doing exactly the same thing as you, like rolling like side to side.
This is what it takes to get to a glacier.
Yep. Getting there. Getting there. Glacier, we're coming. I hope so. We're gonna be able to do and go. We're pretty deep in snow right now. We didn't have nothing since the beginning. Alright folks, it's right now 6 o'clock and we couldn't go to the glacier, unfortunately. There was actually too much snow over there, and with one car we didn't want actually to take some risk, so that's what it is. Now we're going back to our little beach where I actually done a drone shot a couple of minutes ago. You just saw, and yeah, we're going back over there, have some lunch, and the day is almost over. Unfortunately, I'm gonna tell you officially shoot me downstairs what you think it's gonna be, and I'll let you know in a couple of video. Follow me for more. Right now I'm with James, as you saw, and we're going to have a very good hot meal. Harrison Lake is magnificent. It's a super nice place to hang out. I'm pretty sure, I'm not from BC now, just arrived, but I'm pretty sure that place here is really crowded. So, okay guys, I told you that's gonna be a fancy lunch. That's the fancy lunch. Bagel, ham, bacon, and the fancy thing is, haha, oh yeah, whiskey from Quebec. And yeah, that thing is, oops, can't, yeah, they're right there. Sortilège. It tastes maple syrup, that thing. Oh yeah, guys. Wow. Plus this, plus that, plus this, plus that, and there you go. This is right up in the truck. Until then, yummy. Yeah! Overland Subaru International with my friend James. We're done it, bro. Oh, that was nice. So, unfortunately, I need to announce, like, that beautiful car is going. So, we're gonna look for something new. That was actually, I think, the last one. Or if it's not the last one, it's gonna be easy one. Yeah. Very easy one. So by the time, link is below for these super nice bright light from Diode Dynamics. And for the rest, keep it clean, because today I seen so many stuff, it was actually disgusting. I hope you did like it. Subscribe, leave it better than you found. What'd you think, guys?
It was a good day. But there was a lot of garbage on a lot of trails.
A lot. It was disgusting. Yeah. We got a good time, and that was it. Again, get the seal, bro. Until then, next time. Take care.